Hey, I'm Lydia, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these hair clips from polyurethane resin. Before we get started, go ahead and tap the subscribe button so you never miss any of my tutorials. I'm using Let's Resin polyurethane resin, a hair clip mold, and alcohol ink. You're also going to need hair clips, like the actual hardware that clips onto the back of the resin piece, and a high-grade super glue. I don't recommend using hot glue for these because metal and polyurethane will just peel right apart, so you're gonna need something a lot stronger than that. I'm not gonna cover the mixing of the polyurethane resin. I cover that in my polyurethane resin tutorial, which I'll have linked in the description below and above, but something that I have changed up is mixing the alcohol ink in with the first part of the polyurethane resin mix, making sure that it's fully incorporated, then adding the second part of the resin compound. Once it's fully mixed, I'm going to pour it into my mold and move on to the next color that I want to make. These take about 10 or 20 minutes to cure, so once they're ready, I'm going to take them out of the mold and then prep them to have the hardware attached. I'm using a really small sanding tool to rough up the back of the hair clip piece, and then I'm going to wipe off all the residue of that and attach the hardware. I'm using this Loctite Professional Liquid Super Glue. I've been using it for years and it's by far the best super glue that I've ever used, so I highly recommend it. I'll have it linked in the description box below. But I apply a little bit to both the metal piece and the resin piece, and then I join the pieces and just press down for a few seconds. All right, now I'm gonna repeat the process until I get as many hair clips as I wanna have. I really love how these hair clips turned out. The colors that I chose are more neutral earth tones that are perfect for fall hairstyles and outfits. And really, I think these hair clips are going to complete any look. And the fact that this polyurethane resin sets so quickly within 10 or 20 minutes, I can create a hair clip right before I'm going out and it'll be ready to go by the time I'm ready to leave. So just in case the color isn't exactly right, I still can make it last minute. So that's it for this video. If you want to watch more of my crafting tutorials, check out this video next.